There's a moment in every revolution when the world stops pretending. A moment when the old story collapses, and the new one hasn't introduced itself yet. That's where we are. AI didn't arrive politely. It arrived like a second sun, bright, undeniable, impossible to ignore. And suddenly, we're all standing in the same silence, asking the same question. If machines can do everything, what does it mean to be human? And how do we stay valuable in a world that no longer needs our labor? For generations, we were taught a simple equation. Work equals worth. Productivity equals identity. But AI is exposing a truth we've been afraid to admit. Most of what we called work wasn't meaning. It wasn't purpose. It was tasks, predictable, repetitive, automatable. AI isn't replacing humans. It's replacing the illusion that our value came from our labor. And that ache you feel? It's not fear of losing your job. It's fear of losing your place in the world. But the collapse of the old story is the beginning of a new one. We're entering a world where intelligence is no longer our monopoly. Machines will think faster, learn faster, build faster. But there is one thing AI cannot do. Cannot be human. And in the age of perfect algorithms, the rarest thing in the world will be the things only humans can do. Truth moment number 1. Presence is the new intelligence. AI can read language, but only you can read a soul. Only you can feel the tremor in someone's voice, the hesitation behind their smile. Only you can sense the storm behind their eyes. In the future, the most valuable people won't be the ones who know the most. They'll be the ones who can make another human feel safe. Presence is the new intelligence. And this is where the first human frontier rises. The world of healing, coaching, leadership, and emotional guidance. Truth moment number 2. Humans originate. AI can remix the past. But only humans can invent the future. Only you can fuse two ideas that have never touched. Only you can turn a memory into a metaphor into a story into a movement. AI can generate. Humans originate. And this reveals the second frontier. Storytelling, world building, creative direction, taste. AI can produce infinite options. But only humans can decide what's good. Taste is the new talent. Truth moment number 3. Adaptation is courage. The people who rise in the age of AI won't be the ones who cling to who they were. They'll be the ones brave enough to become someone new. The ones who can say, I am not the role the world assigned me. I am the story I choose to write next. Adaptation isn't a skill anymore. It's a form of courage. And this reveals the third frontier. Reinvention, identity flexibility, emotional resilience. Education won't disappear, but its purpose will transform. People won't go to school to get a job. They'll go to school to become someone capable of navigating a world where jobs constantly evolve. Truth moment number 4. Connection is the new gold. AI can simulate conversation, but it cannot share a moment. It cannot feel the electricity of a room when people believe in something together. It cannot feel the warmth of being understood without explanation. It cannot feel the quiet strength of someone standing beside you when life gets heavy. Machines connect data. Humans connect souls. And this reveals the fourth frontier. Community, belonging, human-centered experiences. In a world drowning in information, connection becomes the new gold. Here's the truth no one wants to say. When machines do the work, humans do the meaning. The industries that rise will be the ones rooted in the human interior. Healing, meaning-making, connection, taste, imagination, ethics, human experience. These aren't careers. They're human frontiers. And the people who thrive will be the ones who step into them. The hardest part of the AI revolution isn't learning new tools. It's letting go of old identities. Your brain is wired for certainty, for patterns, for the familiar. But the future belongs to those who can walk into the unknown without needing a map. The ones who can say, "I don't know what's coming next, but I know who I'm becoming." If you want to apply these ideas to your life, check the description for the interactive Copilot prompt. It will help you discover your irreplaceable human skills. Explore potential careers and business opportunities. Build emotional resilience. Design your AI proof value stack and create a personal roadmap for the future. This is where the real transformation happens. AI will handle the predictable. Humans will handle the profound. AI will handle the tasks. Humans will handle the meaning. AI will handle the information. Humans will handle the transformation. The future doesn't belong to the strongest or the smartest. It belongs to the most human, the ones who feel deeply. Imagine wildly. Connect authentically. Adapt courageously. The ones who understand that value is no longer measured in output, but in impact, intention, and imagination. You are not valuable because of what you produce. You are valuable because of what you are. Your empathy, your imagination, your courage, your ability to turn pain into wisdom, your ability to love without reason, your ability to create meaning out of chaos. AI can do everything, but it cannot do that. Stay human, stay valuable. The future is yours. If this sparked something in you, hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more life-changing ideas. I'll see you in the next video.